With only minor updates to the iMac's design and components since 2012, Windows All-in-One desktops, AIOs, like the Microsoft Surface Studio have set their targets squarely on Apple's AIO, but most of those comparable models have larger screens and are priced well above $2,000, putting them more in line with the 27-inch iMac. The 21.5-inch model plays in an area without a lot of competition. Although the recent updates to Apple's smaller, more affordable AIO aren't revolutionary, it does get a nice bump in processor power, updated ports, the addition of discrete graphics, and a more vibrant 4K display. For artists on a budget or those whose daily tasks don't require a larger screen, the 21.5-inch with 4K Retina display starts at $1,299, $1,499 as tested, is still the midrange AIO standard bearer, and is our editor's choice. The design of the 21.5-inch iMac is almost identical to the 2015 iteration, and at 17.7 by 20.8 by 6.9 inches, HWD, it's the same size. Despite the classic look, the stylish aluminum and glass iMac is still a design leader and more modern looking than the Lenovo B50, our last top pick for midrange AIO desktops, which is mostly black plastic. On the left rear panel are a headset jack, an Ethernet port, an SD card reader, 4 USB 3.0 ports, and 2 USB-C/Thunderbolt 3 ports. While positioning them behind the screen adds to the clean design, they're inconvenient to reach compared with the side-mounted port selection on thicker AIOs like the Dell Optiplex 7450 All-in-One and the HP NV34 Curved. USB-C/Thunderbolt 3 ports are notable because they replace the older Thunderbolt 2 ports of the 2015 iMac and are becoming increasingly popular, even on Windows PCs. They also mean faster and more versatile connections for data transfer. If you are carrying over Thunderbolt 2 accessories like external hard drives or displays, Apple sells a Thunderbolt 3-to-2 adapter for $49. Similar third-party adapters are available for DisplayPort and HDMI monitors. The system can support up to 2 additional 4K monitors or one 5K display, including the internal 4K screen. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to use the iMac itself as an external display for a notebook or another desktop, like the Lenovo B50 or HP NV34 Curved can, since there are no HDMI in or DisplayPort in connectors.